Which of the following fruit is parthenocarpic? Parthenocarpic fruits which are developed without pollination. Without pollination. Ovary develop into fruit. If there is no pollination, no fertilization. Parthenocarpic fruit. Banana is a parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpic fruits are characterized by the absence of seeds. That is, parthenocarpic fruits are seedless. Parthenocarpic fruits are seedless. Dear students, the seed-like structure present in banana, what we call banana, the seed-like structure present in banana are unfertilized ovules. When we eat banana, you can see small mustard grain-like structure inside a banana. But in Robusta, there is no structure like this. A small seed-like structure is unfertilized ovule. Unfertilized ovule.